Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Students, now we are passing a critical moment for COVID-19. I wish we must recover this condition by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, I hope you all are still at home and following all the rules. My dear students, now I am going to introduce myself. I am Konika Akhtar, a teacher of Pathurghata Government Primary School, Shirazdi Khan, Munshigঞ্জ. Dear students, now I am going to take an English lesson of class 4. But before starting our class, dear students, let's enjoy a greeting song with me. Are you ready for the song? Okay, let's start. Eat, eat, drink, drink all day long. Eat, eat, drink, drink all day long. I eat and drink and I sing this song. Eat and drink all day long. Bread and butter, ice cream and cake, burgers and fries and a big milkshake. Fruits and vegetables, carrots and peas, chocolate, cookies and a cup of tea. Eat, eat, drink, drink all day long. Eat, eat, drink, drink all day long. I eat and drink and I sing this song. Eat and drink all day long. My dear students, are you feeling happy? I hope you all are feeling happy. Dear students, now I am going to show you something. Are you ready for showing? Okay. What is this, students? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a picture. This is a picture. Students, look at the picture. Students, look at the picture. Can you tell me? What can you see in the picture? Okay, I help you. In this picture, there is an apple, a glass of milk, cereal, orange juice, roti, cheese, hot beans and fried egg. Students, can you guess today's topic? Yes, today's topic is food around the world. What is today's topic? Today's topic is food around the world. Unit 21, lesson 1. Students, please take your English book and open the page number 42. Students, please take your English book and open the page number 42. Students, are you ready? Okay. In this page, there is a text here. The text is about Alex and Heba's food habit. Students, before starting reading, I will show you some new words from this text. Okay. Dear students, please concentrate. What can you see in this card? There is a word. There is a word. Cereal. Are you know? What's the Bangla meaning of cereal? Yes, I know. This is a new word for you. I will help you. The cereal Bangla meaning is ভক্ষ্য শস্য বা শস্য দানা। ওকে, তো স্টুডেন্টস, সিরিয়ালের বাংলা অর্থ কি? শস্য দানা। This is a new word for you. Another new word for you is cheese. Cheese. Dear students, please listen to me and repeat after me. What's the pronunciation of this word? Cheese. Please repeat after me. Cheese. And what's the Bangla meaning of cheese? The Bangla meaning of this word is paneer. The Bangla meaning of this word is paneer. Cheese, Bangla meaning is paneer. Students, this is another word. What's the pronunciation? The pronunciation of this word is hot beans. Hot beans. Dear students, please listen to me and repeat after me. Okay? Hot beans. Hot beans. Hot beans Bangla meaning is hot beans Bangla meaning is সেদ্ধ মটর। Can you tell me what's the Bangla meaning of hot beans? Yes, সেদ্ধ মটর। Dear students, another new word for you. Fried egg. Fried egg. The pronunciation of this word is fried egg. Students, please repeat after me. Fried egg. Yes, fried egg Bangla meaning is কি? ভাজা ডিম। ভাজা ডিম। Can you tell me what's the Bangla meaning of fried egg? Yes, bhaja dim. Okay? Dear students, will you tell me what's the pronunciation of this word? Okay, I help you. The pronunciation of this word is supermarket. 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 Yes. Please try again. Supermarket. Okay. Thank you. Supermarket Bangla meaning is Odhi Biponi. Odhi Biponi. Students, please take your exercise book. Supermarket. Supermarket Bangla meaning is Odhi Biponi. Students, please write these words on your exercise book. Okay? Students, are you know words? This word. What is the pronunciation of this word? Yes, breakfast. Yes, this word pronunciation is breakfast. Breakfast. Are you know what's the Bangla meaning of breakfast? Yes, সকাল বেলার নাস্তা. Thank you. Breakfast means Bangla meaning is সকালের নাস্তা. Thank you, students. Now take your English book and open page number 42 again. Now I'll read the text and I hope you will listen carefully. Okay? Hi, I am Alex. এই যে আমি অ্যালেক্স. I live in London. আমি লন্ডনে বাস করি. I am British. আমি ব্রিটিশের নাগরিক. I start my day at 7 AM. আমি আমার দিন সকাল 7টায় শুরু করি. And I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. এবং আমি আমার সকালবেলার নাস্তা খাই সকাল 8টায়. On weekdays I usually have meal, cereal and an apple. কর্মদিবসগুলোতে সাধারণত আমি দুধ, শস্যদানা এবং আপেল খেয়ে থাকি. Sometimes I have fried eggs with cheese and some juice. মাঝে মাঝে আমি পনিরের সাথে ভাজা ডিম এবং ফলের রস খেয়ে থাকি. Apple juice is my favorite. আপেলের শরবত আমার পছন্দ. But I like mango juice too. কিন্তু আমি আমের জুসও পছন্দ করি. We don't grow any mangoes in my country. আমরা আমাদের দেশে আম উৎপাদন করি না. But we can get mango juice at the supermarket. কিন্তু আমরা অধিবিপণীগুলোতে আমের জুস পেয়ে থাকি. হ্যালো, I am Heba from Saudi Arabia. এই যে আমি হেবা সৌদি আরবিয়া থেকে এসেছি. It's very hot here. এখানে প্রচুর গরম. So our schools start at 7 AM. তাই আমাদের বিদ্যালয় সকাল 7টায় শুরু হয়. I get up at 5 in the morning. আমি ভোর 5টায় ঘুম থেকে জাগি. And I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock. এবং আমি আমার সকালবেলার নাস্তা 6টার সময় খাই. For breakfast, I usually have some hot beans and bread. সাধারণত সকালবেলার নাস্তায় আমি সেদ্ধ মটর এবং রুটি খেয়ে থাকি. Sometimes I have eggs. মাঝে মাঝে আমি ডিম খাই. I drink juice almost every morning. আমি প্রতিদিন সকালে ফলের রস খাই. Mango juice is my favorite. আমের জুস আমার সবচেয়ে পছন্দ. But I like orange juice too. কিন্তু আমি কমলার জুসও পছন্দ করি. We don't drink a lot of milk in our family. আমাদের পরিবারে আমরা দুধ খেতে খুব একটা পছন্দ করি না. We don't like it very much. আমরা এটা খুব বেশি পছন্দ করি না. Dear students, are you understand? I think you have understand. Students, I read the text again. Okay? Please listen to me. Hi, I'm Alex. I live in London. I'm British. I start my day at 7 AM and I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. On weekdays, I usually have milk, cereal and an apple. Sometimes I have fried eggs with cheese and some juice. Apple juice is my favorite, but I like mango juice too. We don't grow any mangoes in my country, but we can get mango juice at the supermarket. Hello, I am Heba from Saudi Arabia. It's very hot here. So, our schools start at 7 a.m. I get up at 5 in the morning and I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock. For breakfast, I usually have some hot beans and bread. Sometimes I have eggs. I drink juice almost every morning. Mango juice is my favorite, but I like orange juice too. We don't drink a lot of milk in our family. We don't like it very much. My dear students, I hope you all are enjoying this text. Now, I am going to write some similar meaning, some words from this text. Students, are you ready? Please take your exercise book and write on your khata. My dear students, supermarket. Supermarket Bangla meaning is Odibipoli. What's the English meaning? I will help you to know. Okay? Supermarket English meaning is a large self-service shops selling foods and household goods. Students, write on your khata. Students, supermarket English meaning is a large self-service shop selling foods and household goods. Dear students, another word is cheese. Cheese. What's the cheese Bangla meaning? Yes, paneer. The English meaning of cheese is a food which made from milk, which is made from milk. Students, cheese English meaning is a food which is made from milk. The another word is cereal. meaning of cereal? Cereal Bangla meaning is shoshodana. And English meaning is a grain used for food. Students, cereal English meaning is a grain used for food. Students, the another word meaning is hot beans. Hot beans Bangla meaning is seddho motor, and hot beans English meaning is a hot aerobic composting bin. Students, hot beans English meaning is a hot aerobic composting bin. My dear students, there is another word, breakfast. Breakfast Bangla meaning is সকাল বেলার নাস্তা, and English meaning is the first meal of the day. The first meal of the day. My dear students, from this lesson you have know some new words and some English meaning of some words. I think or I hope you all are enjoying this class and you will try your best at your home. Okay? Dear students, you all are okay, and I want to go now. Stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.